let's talk about something serious for a moment. Something a lot of retired folks are thinking about, but not always saying out loud. Why did I join a program called the $10 Club over a year ago? And more importantly, why am I still here today, still believing in it? It's because retirement isn't supposed to feel this uncertain. Think about it. Most people work hard their entire lives. They clock in, they clock out, year after year. They paid into their pensions. They did exactly what they were told was the right thing to do to secure their future. And yet, here we are. Prices for everything, from groceries to gas, just keep climbing. The rules of the game seem to change without our permission. And suddenly, that pension, that nest egg you worked so hard for, it just doesn't stretch the way it used to. It doesn't go as far. This creates a quiet fear, a gnawing anxiety that a lot of people in their golden years are grappling with. It's the fear of outliving your money, the fear of your savings running out while your bills keep coming in. It has a heavy weight to carry when you resuppose to be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Over a year ago, I was feeling that pressure. I started looking for a simple backup income. I wasn't looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. I wasn't interested in gambling on the stock market or diving into some complicated, high-stress business venture. I just wanted something steady, something reliable, something that could quietly run in the background and add a little bit of cushion to my finances. A financial safety net. That's when I found the $10 Club, which you might also know as Live Good. The name itself caught my attention because it seemed simple, and that's what I needed. What really drew me in were three key things. First, it's incredibly low cost to get started. We're talking about an amount that's less than a couple of fancy coffees a month. Second, the system is designed to be simple. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing genius to understand it. And third, and this was crucial for me, it doesn't demand your time every single day. There's no garage full of products you have to buy and then try to sell. There's no pressure to pitch to your friends and family during holiday dinners. There's no chasing people down or being a pushy salesperson. It's a different kind of model altogether. It's built for regular people who just want to add a little extra stream of income without turning their lives upside down. And I'm not alone in this. There are now more than 2.5 million people who are part of this global community. People from all walks of life, from all over the world, have joined. And they haven't joined because it's some flashy, exciting, adrenaline-pumping venture. They've joined for the opposite reason, because it's predictable. In a world that feels increasingly chaotic and unpredictable, especially when it comes to finances, predictability is a superpower. And that's precisely why I'm still here today, over a year later. It delivers on its promise of being a simple, low-effort way to build a secondary income stream. So, if you're retired or you're living on a fixed pension, and you have that little voice in the back of your head whispering worries about whether your income will last as long as you do, I want you to hear me on this. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This isn't about buying a yacht or a mansion. This is about something far more valuable. It's about adding breathing room to your budget. It's about getting a good night's sleep without worrying about next month's bills. It's about achieving real peace of mind. It's about having something extra, a little helper working quietly alongside your pension. It's a supplement, not a replacement. Think of it as a small, steady stream flowing into your financial reservoir. If you're even a little bit curious about how the $10 Club works, I invite you to take a calm, pressure-free look. There's a link in the description below where you can get all the information. Nobody will chase you, nobody will pressure you. It's just clear, straightforward information for you to review in your own time. Because at this stage of life, we're not looking for roller coasters, we're looking for stability. And when it comes to our finances, a boring, predictable income. It's a very good income. Take a look, see if it makes sense for you. Thanks for listening, and I hope you'll subscribe for more straightforward talk like this.